Johnny Depp was considered for the role in Pulp Fiction. Nobody wants to see Quentin Tarantino. A lot of reviewers believe that the possibility of hiring Johnny Depp for their picture is as absurd as it is unlikely. However, Quentin Tarantino is not necessary for this genre. When getting ready for the premiere of Pulp Fiction, the film's creators went against the law to have Johnny Depp play Pumpkin and watch over his shoulder. However, Racer wasn't convinced that calling this particular gizmo Guayasdor amid a crowd would get people into the theater. The finalized role bestows Tim Rothwell, in keeping with the idea that this post makes. Information on how Johnny Depp lost his chance to star in Pulp Fiction was revealed in one of Tarantino's most recent podcasts. It was stated that the film studio wanted to observe the talented actor playing Pumpkin, but he refused to be toned down. In the internet, there are rumors about my literary agent when it comes to the subject of Pulp Fiction. I don't really know which actor will be playing what part, so I just made a huge list with a lot of names. I wanted them to agree to play, but I had no idea how this would work, whether or not they would initiate contact with them, or whether they would ultimately succeed in these roles. In the episode 2 Bears, 1 Cave, Tarantino stated, "I wanted them to be Zach Lapani." The casting for Pulp Fiction was complicated by producer Mike Medavoy of TriStar Pictures, who wanted to cast Johnny Depp as Pumpkin and did so without consulting Tarantino. However, I was unaware that the screenwriter wrote this part for Tom Roth, who previously acted with him in Wicked Satch. And in the unlikely event that Roth were to leave the part unfilled, Christian Slater, who starred in Tarantino's Prodzywim Romancy, would have been the director's backup choice. Depp was previously on the list of directors, but only as the third, in case Slater had rejected the proposal. Yet, Medavoy refuses to back down because, in his opinion, Depp, the biggest star of the third installment, should play Pumpkin. I wanted to know if it was true that Johnny Depp's portrayal of Pumpkin, who appears in key and closing scenes of the movie, contributed to the movie earning more money. Tarantino adds, "Od powiedzia, igawi sobi zata nie da usai." But Poksuj si lepiej. Racer remained unfinished, and TriStar Pictures ultimately decided to discontinue production of Pulp Fiction. The movie was created for the Miramax studio, and Tim Roth played Pumpkin in the movie in accordance with the author's vision.